First time buying, it's simple. You go to codes, you select any asset that you like, you press once, you go to chart, and you press this icon here. You'll be able to see buy and sell. You can buy, you can sell. That's it. Order is opened. You can go to trade, monitor the trade there. If it's red like this, you're losing money. If it's green like this, you're winning money. And this is the real account. If I press here, you'll see my name and surname, and this is my real account. So this is the demo account for practices for you to understand how we actually take a buy and take a sell. I can go to another account. If I press here, manage, I can go to a demo account where we can actually practice buying and selling. It's simple. Closing a trade, you just press here and close all position. This is the account. We go to codes. We press any asset that we like. We go to chart. We press here. Then we press buy. We accept the terms and condition. We press buy. We'll press sell. We go to trade. We see the trade. We see the losses. If we want to close the trade, we press here and we close all position. That's it. So this is how you actually check your buy, take your sell first time if you're trading. Now we can go to the real account, and we can't buy, we can't sell here because we are already on a trade, so we're expecting a massive profit here. Now, same thing, you go to history here, you monitor how much you've profited, how much you've lost by looking here. You go to codes again, you can add an asset of your choice that you like, and you can press any asset that you like to buy and sell if this is your first time buying and selling in the market. So if you see this, make sure that you also adjust the lot size, you understand. So you can press sell just like that. You see, you go to trade, you see the positions. If you like to close, you press here, you close. That's it. That's how you do it. So I trust you understand. If you have any questions, let me know.